Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by planning your sketch and composition using quick thumbnails and a 3-5-inch working area to focus detail. Start with a light 2H sketch to map proportions in 5 to 10 minutes. Block major shapes using simple geometry, circles, rectangles, and lines, so placement is accurate before refining. Keep lines loose and erase sparingly to preserve paper tooth for later color. Use an HB for contour corrections, and note where highlights and shadows will fall. This saves time during color stages and prevents overworking the paper early on. Establish value with graphite and then move to color by thinking in layers: underpainting, midtones, and accents. Use HB for midtones and 4B or 6B for deep shadows and texture when developing form. Apply color with light layers, 2 to 4 thin washes, building saturation gradually so pigments remain luminous. Work wet-on-dry for crisp detail and wet-on-wet for soft transitions when using water-soluble media or diluted ink. Reserve the brightest highlights until the end and test blends on scrap paper to avoid muddying hues. Finish your sketch color drawing by refining edges and protecting the surface through controlled techniques. Blend gently with a tortillon or soft brush to preserve grain and avoid oversmoothing. Excessive blending loses texture. Add final accents with colored pencil or gouache at 0.5 to 1 mm stroke width for crispness and restore any lost highlights. Clean stray graphite with a soft eraser. Then fix the finished sheet with a light spray of workable fixative held 12 inches away to protect pigments without altering color.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.